Superior Probiotic, with time release, for maximum effectiveness, by BioSchwartz. Disclaimer. The statements referenced here have not been evaluated by the United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease or health condition. The information is provided for general informational and educational purposes only, and is not a substitute for professional advice. Since everyone's health and body condition is different, please note that the results may vary. The efficacy of the product is entirely dependent on the health condition of the person using the product, and does not represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Superior Probiotic, by BioSchwartz. Pros and cons. Efficacy of BioSchwartz Probiotic. 40 billion CFU. BioSchwartz Probiotic, Overview. Are you looking for probiotic supplement, with maximum effectiveness? Probiotic 40 billion CFU, by BioSchwartz, is a popular supplement. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. BioSchwartz Probiotic helps support digestive health and reduce bloating, boost the immune system, boost nutrient absorption, promote weight loss, and healthy cholesterol, improve mood, and reduce fatigue. BioSchwartz Probiotic is 20 times more effective than other probiotics. This probiotic can survive the stomach acids and bile fluids to reach deep into the small intestine. Alive. The supplement keeps the potency until expiration date. BioSchwartz Probiotic is shelf-stable, no refrigeration required. BioSchwartz Probiotic is made of 100% natural and non-GMO ingredients. BioSchwartz Probiotic is allergen-free and gluten-free. No soy, egg, shellfish, corn, wheat and peanuts. The product is third-party tested by enlisting third-party, independent labs to test for purity and potency. The supplement is formulated by professionals. It is the result of unparalleled science, research, and strict quality control standards, ensuring the greatest benefits are achieved. To ensure product safety, quality, and efficacy, Probiotic 40 billion CFU has 3 seals for protection. Based on over 3,360 customer reviews, and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. This is a popular probiotic supplement by BioSchwartz. Here is what some of the customers have to say about it. It works. After 3 days of using this product, I am much physically improved. No stomach upsets after eating, regular bowels, and no more Imodium. Previously I was using a different probiotic, but now I will stay with this one. Says Dana D. I love this probiotic. I have suffered from severe acne since I was 12 years old, and now I'm 32. Since taking this probiotic, my face has cleared more than 90%. I will continue to purchase this supplement. Says Taisha Flanagan. Helping my body heal. I ordered this probiotic to help in the process of healing a possible congenital overgrowth, and to improve my overall gut health and immunity. I've been taking this as directed, twice daily for almost 30 days, and have seen a significant improvement in my health. Chronic eczema is finally starting to heal, and I have more energy throughout the day. I would definitely recommend. Says K. Anderson. Excellent product. Had serious gut issues. After 1 month of Schwartz probiotic all's well. Ordered a second 60-count supply, and also got 1 free. Tried other probiotics. This is the best. Says Evelyn Flowers. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.